Choosing a white versus black car affects daily comfort, upkeep, perceived luxury, safety, and resale. It's not just about looks. The comparison includes technical, practical, environmental, and economic dimensions, so you can make a confident, trade-off aware decision. White vehicles appear clean, modern, minimalist, and practical, making body lines look crisp on compact cars, SUVs, and fleet vehicles. Black vehicles look classic, premium, and sporty with a dramatic and luxurious impression when perfectly finished, while showing surface imperfections more readily. Black absorbs more solar radiation and thus warms faster when parked in direct sun, increasing cooling load and cabin discomfort in hot climates. White reflects more sunlight, stays cooler outside, and reduces how quickly a cabin overheats. For paint durability and long-term appearance, white hides swirl marks, water spots, and tiny paint fade better, and light dirt can blend with lighter base coats. Off-white or cream shades may yellow slightly over decades if the clear coat quality is low. Black shows swirl marks, micro scratches, UV fade, dust, and water spots very clearly, and therefore requires higher quality clear coat and careful washing to maintain a deep gloss finish. When properly cared for, black can look exceptional. In terms of visibility and road safety across day and night, white tends to be more visible against many backgrounds and has higher conspicuity in daylight and twilight. At night, white remains comparatively visible under headlights and streetlights, while black blends into dark backgrounds and can be harder to detect in unlit areas. Accident rate studies vary by region, but lighter colors like white, silver, and yellow generally associate with slightly lower accident likelihood. Dust, dirt, and scratch visibility differ substantially. White hides light dust and swirl marks, though dark grime and mud show more. Black shows dust, pollen, water spots, and scratches very quickly and looks dirty soon after a wash. Maintenance effort reflects this difference. White requires lower visible upkeep, can go longer between cosmetic washes, and needs less frequent polishing. Black demands higher maintenance, including frequent washing, careful drying, and regular polishing, white paint correction, driving noticeably higher detailing costs over time. Color generally has negligible to no direct effect on insurance premiums in most markets, since insurance pricing is driven by model, theft statistics, driver record, and location. Only custom or specialty finishes like matte black may increase premiums indirectly due to higher repair cost. For resale value and market trends, white has strong broad market resale appeal for many segments and regions. Black has strong appeal in luxury and performance markets and can command higher resale when well maintained, yet the maintenance reputation can deter buyers who want low upkeep. Preferences vary by region and segment, with white, silver, and black traditionally dominating globally, and resale price differences typically small. Environmentally, white has a minor operating energy advantage in heat due to reduced AC load, which also benefits EV range. Manufacturing and paint process differences are small. Deep black paints often require more layers and can carry a slightly larger environmental footprint, but this is tiny compared with overall vehicle production. All of these factors translate into clear advantages and disadvantages. White provides a modern, clean impression with broad appeal. It remains cooler in sun and hides dust and swirl marks well, supports strong resale, and stays presentable longer between washes. It can show mud and lower contrast stains and may not deliver the same luxury drama as black. Black offers high perceived luxury and depth when pristine, ideal for sporty or executive vehicles, and may command a premium in luxury segments. However, black shows dust, scratches, and water spots easily, warms faster in sun, and requires more frequent detailing. Climate conditions strongly affect the best choice. In hot climates such as the Mediterranean, Middle East, Southern US, and sunny Australia, white or very light metallic shades are recommended because lower solar absorption improves comfort and reduces AC energy use. In cold climates like Northern Europe, Canada, and Northern US regions, either white or black works well because black's heat absorption poses little downside. Styling and maintenance preferences matter more. Black may help melt frost slightly faster in direct sunlight, but shows road salt stains more, while white hides salt somewhat better but may highlight mud. Driver priorities also determine the best color. For low maintenance, white is the best pick because it hides dust and swirl marks, needs fewer polishing detail sessions, and stays looking cleaner longer. For a luxury look, black, especially deep metallic or pearl, is the top choice if the owner invests in proper washing and possibly ceramic coating or PPF. For high visibility safety, white or other bright light colors provide better daytime and nighttime conspicuity. For best resale, white is the strongest choice overall, though black may outperform in certain luxury performance categories if kept pristine. Real-world ownership context also matters. An urban driver with covered parking who values style may choose black because regular washing is easier, and the glossy luxury look fits the setting. An urban street parker who wants low effort should choose white to hide dust and improve visibility in traffic. Rural drivers dealing with gravel roads, mud, and salt will find white or light metallic better since black looks dirty almost immediately. Hot sun coastal or desert drivers who prioritize comfort or EV range should choose white. Luxury sedan owners who frequently use professional detailing get the best image from black. Fleets and commercial users typically select white for maintenance simplicity and consistency. A personal checklist can make the final choice simpler. If low maintenance is the number one concern, white is the answer. If parked outdoors in a hot, sunny climate, choose white or light metallic. If a luxury image is your top priority and you're willing to invest in care, choose black. If you prioritize nighttime or rural road visibility, choose white. If your resale goal is within a luxury market that prefers black and you'll maintain the finish, choose black. Otherwise, white is safer. If you primarily use covered parking and accept frequent detailing, black is very viable. The key takeaways are that white is practical, cooler in the sun, lower in visible maintenance, and strong in resale appeal, while black is premium and dramatic but shows imperfections, warms faster, and costs more to maintain. Insurance is rarely affected by color, though complex finishes can shift repair costs. Regional market tastes matter, so resale effects vary slightly. Accident differences and resale advantages are typically small compared with condition, model, and buyer preferences. The energy impact on AC use is modest but noticeable in hot climates. Color alone typically changes resale value only by a small single-digit percentage in most markets. Every priority set yields a clear choice. For low maintenance, choose white. For a luxury look, choose black with paint protection. For high visibility safety, choose white or another bright tone. For broad market best resale, choose white. For luxury segment resale, where black is favored and you will maintain the finish, black can be better. Accident and resale differences vary by region and segment. Safety and energy differences are real but not dominant. And manufacturing impact differences are very small. For most buyers, balancing comfort, upkeep, and resale, white or a light metallic white pearl is the safest, lowest effort choice. Black is appropriate if you prefer a luxury image and are willing to invest in regular care.